Getting lost is more than losing your sense of direction. Go out there and get lost doing something you love. Go out there and go for an adventure. Overall, go get lost.
Oh, we better run back closer to home. Is there a waterfall?
There's a little deer. Way to start off days, 3 and 4. Campsite number 2. We went to look for a boat launch down that road. Got a little lost, but this is a weird intro. I just got the GoPro together because I saw some deer. We took a wrong turn to the boat launch. Now we're going to the boat launch. Riding in the boat. Yes. Very fun times. I'll update you when we're at the lake. Should be fine. Until you see 2 foot on that fish finder, then I'll bring her up. But for now, we're gonna start out with a net. And yeah, we made it to our first spot. A bunch of geese. Should have brought the shotgun. Early goose season, but yes, this is where we are. Oh, can't wait to get rid of this motor guide. This thing blows. We're gonna strip her on a Tuesday. All right, let's see what we ain't got here. It's a bunch of clear bottom. This is the end of trip number 1 to this lake. This doesn't look too bad, but out there, you could probably tell by those white caps on how much we caught. There's a few white caps out there. Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna see and hear from us tomorrow. This is the non-windy side. And we were dealing with that. I did not buy electronics before I got this boat up here, but we're gonna hook it up and then leave. What?
Side tomorrow morning, right?
We might go to the other side tomorrow morning, or we might go to the north or the south one. The north one's super clear.
That's right, you guys you're not sheep herders.
No, we're not sheep, we don't follow the herd. Anyway, we'll put this baby on a trailer and leave. Oh yeah. Come on, get those. First little pike pitch up. Fishing for perch out here. Got a little pike. We'll let them go. Gone. Alright, we're on a bite of perch and pike right here. We gotta be quiet. We got live bait out here. Gotta be quiet. We're fishing. Live bait. Alright, I got a pike in the boat. Is there? Can you see down there? Okay, maybe move this back. Right. I didn't think the boat was gonna swing that far. You good? We want your mother. Come here. right through the fucking dunes. I guess just flip them in here if you can. Don't break your rod. Okay. Broke your line. No. No. Oh, that was a fiasco. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Spit it out. No, he broke your line.
I know, he spit the bait out too.
Oh god.
Smallmouth.
Finally. Finally. I guess they are in here. It's about time. I was just about to tie in a drop shot, but you know what?
Toss that right behind you.
Yeah. Alright. We found them. Locker.
That fought harder than the other one.
Oh yeah. Told you they fight.
They do not have teeth to grab onto, I swear.
I don't think you want to grab onto a fish if it has teeth.
I mean, like a largemouth.
Alright, just let her go.
Like a largemouth. You thumb them and you grab them right there. These smallmouth, they just...
Just put it in the water. That'd be cool. Oh, just zoom.
She was pissed.
Small crop out here in the fish hut, cleaning them up. Today was a rough day. I lost my hat in the water. Didn't bring my sunglasses. Sunset looks okay. Down here in this random shack. Don't even kill it, just, yeah. We'll just cut this part out and then we'll see you back on the grill or however we're cooking them, eh?